Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And from now on, lockdown. So how will the vlog change in the coming days, in the coming weeks, and maybe in the coming month? First up, I'm going to share with you guys insights of what's happening in the Philippines. To those who don't know and who live outside the Philippines, we are on lockdown in Metro Manila. So we can't go out of the house as much as possible. We will only go out to buy essentials like medicine, food, or for whatever kind of emergency. There is a curfew at 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily. So as much as possible, we're really encouraged to stay at home to be able to, flatten the curve and stem the spread of the coronavirus and COVID-19. So the first part of the everyday vlog will be me just sharing with you guys some insights, thoughts, learnings as the days go by that we are on home lockdown. Now, the second part of the vlog will be all about, whatever I can find to unbox or review here at home, be it sneakers, gadgets, or whatever it is that's interesting that I can bring to you guys. Hopefully to entertain you and also to inform you. Now, if there's one thing I want to address about the current situation is that it's easy to post na sumunod na lang kayo. It's easy to say na bakit ba kayo labas na labas ng bahay. It's easy to stay, just wag matigas ang ulo, just follow home quarantine. But the reality is not everybody is as blessed and as fortunate to have a nice home with good food and to have the money to be able to fund that every day for the next 30 days. So if there is one message that I just want to get across, it's that I encourage all of you to be very compassionate, to be very sensitive, to be very thoughtful before you put out any tweet, any post on Facebook talking about the current situation. Think about it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times before you post. In fact, this vlog that you're watching today, I probably shot maybe 6 times or 7 times or 8 times before I actually decided to, go with it. Because at this point in time, it is important that we talk with a lot of wisdom, with a lot of thought, and we don't just shoot from our hip. So in short, pag-isipan po natin lahat ng sasabihin natin dahil hindi mo alam kung nakakasakit ka sa mga nakakabasa nito dahil iba-iba ang status sa buhay, iba-iba ang pinagdadaanan natin. So mas maganda nang talagang pag-isipan natin lahat yan para talagang nakakatulong tayo. Okay? Okay, and now for the fun part, I have 2 sneakers with me today. This is the Nike Infinity React. This is the Pegasus Turbo. So what I'll actually be doing is I'll be comparing them, not just from a casual perspective, but I'll actually going to run in both of them on the treadmill to get the feel for both sneakers, and then I'll check back with you guys my observations, because I have a strong feeling, and it's kind of obvious just by taking a look at the sneakers, that each of this shoe, each shoe has a different target market in mind. So let's kick things off with a casual wear observation of both sneakers. I'll jump the gun and I'll say that my preference is the Nike React Infinity. There really is nothing to complain about with this shoe apart from the lack of collaborations and different styles and designs, but that will come in the next few months and maybe in the next few, I don't know, maybe weeks, who knows how soon we can get more colorways of this one. But in terms of cushioning, comfort, stability, I have no complaints with this sneaker. In fact, it has been one of my favorite shoes in the last few weeks. I've been beating it up, I've been wearing it often, and I just absolutely love this shoe. No complaints whatsoever about the Nike React Infinity. My main issue with the Pegasus Turbo is that I think this is not made for people with flat and wide feet. That's ultimately it. If you have narrow feet, if you have normal size feet, I think this will do really well for you, and the cushioning is insane, and the style is actually very nice. But for me, as somebody who has flat and wide feet, I have stability issues with this sneaker. There's a tendency for my ankles to roll either inward or outward. I think it's how they built the midsole, the middle part being so narrow. So that is my issue with this shoe. So at this point in the vlog, I'll actually jump on the nakuha naman yung treadmill. So I'm actually going to go on the treadmill here at my home gym, which I'll do a vlog on very soon. And then we'll just get a feel for, maybe confirm that observation when it comes to running with both sneakers. So let's go. By the way, coming really soon, talaga nag-plug, we are working on apparels, and I will be making an announcement about our apparel line really soon. This is one of them, which is our 7-to-1 socks. So this one is in orange. We also have one in black, maybe coming in April. Who knows? Just watch out for announcements. So we finished 30-minute run with both sneakers, 15 minutes on the Infinity React, 15 minutes on the Pegasus Turbo, and I'll share with you guys my observations. Overall, I still prefer running on the Infinity React, and a big part of it is because of the better support and the cushioning. I think it has a lot to do with the base, the wider React base, and the cushioning technology that they used here, which is React. So I think for people with flat and wide feet, or wide feet in general, this is the better buy compared to the Pegasus Turbo. So I have over here the Pegasus Turbo, which I also ran 15 minutes in or on. My main issues with this one is that it was definitely harder on the underbelly of my foot, or on the underfoot, and also there was the inner part of my feet, I don't know what you call that. So if this is like your foot, the inside part, the middle, medyo nangalay siya. So I'm not sure if it's because it's lacking support, or this actually remains theory. The midfoot section of this shoe is just so narrow, so it doesn't give enough support to that part of my foot. Since I have wide feet, since wala siyang support dun sa arc, it was more punishing. And after running in it for 15 minutes, the difference, I could really feel it. So if I were to pick between the two, so if you're like me with wide and flat feet, I would definitely recommend that you guys go with the Nike React Infinity instead. Much better value for money and much better for running. Please do take note, I am not a professional runner. This is just a casual review of a guy who wants to lose weight running on a treadmill. By the way, before we end the vlog, siguro a few more things, no? Mag-public service announcement na rin tayo. Apparently, there's a message going around, or people offering or saying that they are accredited by the government that they will sanitize your home. So apparently modus yan. That the government has already announced that they are not authorizing or deploying groups who sanitize homes. So malamang sa malamang, masasama balak ng mga yan. So if you get an offer, or if somebody messages you that they can sanitize your home, the answer to that is no. Okay? So para lang malinaw, public service announcing. And number two, before we close the vlog, as you can see, one of the routines that my wife and I are doing every day is try to get some workouts done. Hopefully after this 30-day thing, pumayat kami ng konti. So share ko lang sa inyo yung routine. So at least for me, it's like a 20 to 30 minute run on the treadmill, followed by a circuit na nakuha ko lang online. It's a beginner circuit workout. You basically do like 20 squats, a 30-second plank, 10 push-ups, some dumbbell rows 10 per side, lunges 10 per side, and then jumping jack. So 3 sets of that. So kung wala kang ginagawa and you're looking for a home workout, you guys might want to do that also. So at least sabay-sabay tayo nagpapapayat in the next 30 days. Ano ba yun? So anyway, that's actually it for today's vlog. I hope you guys are all doing well. Again, we're praying for everybody. Sana as much as possible, if you can, stay home. If you can't, well, I hope you can, no? But if you can't, please do check with your employer kung ano ba yung mga arrangements. I think there was an announcement that BPO should like have accommodations for their staff. So tanungin nyo na rin yung employer ninyo. And apart from that, lahat kayo pinagdadasal namin ng misis ko, dadaan din to, will come out stronger. And that said, as usual guys, peace, God bless, what's up, boom. By the way, pahabol lang guys, I think I found the most luxurious, impractical water bottle or water drinking thing ever made. So this is an off-white water thing. It's not a bottle, so it's a water pack. It's a water Tetra pack. So unbox lang natin siya. So this one I got from FSV88. So if you guys want to buy like hype stuff and hype toys, make sure to check him out on Instagram. I think he sources a lot of his stuff from Japan. So as you can see, it's your typical black Tetra pack. Hindi ako makapaniwalang Tetra pack siya. So it has like a carabiner over here, which you can put in your bag, in your belt bag or whatever. And you have, of course, the drinking spot over here. You refill it with water via this spot, and then you cork it close, or you twist it close, and then you pop this open, and then you drink from this one. So yeah, an off-white, what do you call this, Tetra Pak. So this one, believe it or not, resells for over 7,000 pesos, but the retail is probably much lower than that. But yeah, as you can see, lahat na lang ng bagay may off-white na, pati ba naman to. Yeah. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, it feels weird plugging a promo on this with the current situation. But hey, let's keep going. We are giving away Supreme Boxer Briefs, brand new in collaboration with Cop Garden. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck!